Okay. Right now, friends, I started my spoken English practice and I feel nervous. હું nervous થાઉં છું, but it's okay. I will still speak. હું perfect નથી, but I try. And that is most important things in a English fluency. Friends, તમને પણ આ same feeling આવે છે. સાચી વાત ને? So at beginning, you are unable to speak in English fluently. But friends, if you try this exercise, you are also able to speak English fluently. Now you might be thinking કે હવે એના માટે શું કરવાનું? So friends, explain you 3 most effective physical exercise which you gonna follow next 1 to 2 weeks. You might able to understand your speech and it has been transformed towards natural language. And friends, tremendous impact happens in your fluency. So let's we know those 3 physical exercise. First, your real voice. Ha friends, તમારો પોતાનો real voice. It means open your mouth and speak English with a real voice and describe the things. કે તમારી આસપાસની all things describe in English. It means I sit on the chair, I make video, she use mobile, he is tired, we are busy, that is TV, that is dining table, that is window, that is balcony, that is tree, this is water, this is bag, this is book, this is laptop, it is plate, it is glass, it is spoon, and she is my mother. Everything. તમારા સરાઉન્ડેડ જેટલી પણ થિંગ્સ છે, just you look around and start speaking building of words for the next 7 days. Now second exercise છે describing actions. It means during the day, દિવસ દરમિયાન તમે જે પણ action means ક્રિયા કરો છો, find a actionના name in English and speak it. It means friends, for example, I go to kitchen, I cut vegetable, I make food, I clean platform, I wash utensils, I sit on the sofa, he reads newspaper, he watches TV, she listens music, you are confused, I learn spoken English, children play in the garden, we do exercise and we wait them. So just like this, આવી રીતે friends, throughout the day, જે પણ actions તમે કરો છો એને recall કરીને just you start speaking practice. So now friends, third, shadowing exercise. It means પરછાઈ. એમ imitate કરવું, નકલ કરવી. As you like that. એવી કોઈ પણ English simple story કે પછી English content ને થોડી વાર માટે watch and listen કરવાનું અને try to imitate it. એને same way નકલથી speak કરવાનું. અને frequently you do imitate your own way, words and sentence formation will become more familiar and more closer. So friends, these 3 physical exercise ને discipline સાથે connect કરવાથી started to understand language naturally and started to think in English subconsciously, and you can train your mouth and brain along with the broken English. So when you think in English and your mouth will respond at the same time, your fluency will become unstoppable and you might feel and see changes within a couple of weeks. So thank you so much. You watched this video till end and we will meet with my new shorts.